Okay, group, this is our histograms practice. So it says here below is a list of hits you get in different rounds of playing hacky sack. Calculate the 5-number summary for this data. Determine if there are any outliers in the data set. The data is already ordered for you. So it says list the data here if necessary. I'm going to go ahead and list it just so I have it all in one line. You don't have to if you don't want to. Okay, I'm going to make sure I got all my numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, we're good. Good to go. All right, so to get our minimum, that is our lowest number right here, 2. To get our maximum, that's our highest number, which is our largest one there, 13. Okay, to find the quartile 2, we are going to find our middle number. Oops, I guessed that one. I missed one. So now I have 5 on each side, 6, 7. So there, my middle number is 6. So here now I can go to get quartile 1. 5. 1, 2, and 7. Okay, so now if we find our mean is the average. It's the average, so we're going to take all of our numbers and add them up and divide by the total. So there's a total of 15. I have 4 5s, yep. 2 6s, 4 7s, an 8, and a 13. Okay, and I know that there are a total of 15 numbers, so I'm going to divide that by 15. So my mean is 6. So that means the average is 6, meaning the when we were playing hacky sack, my my average number of hits would be 6. So that would be the way to interpret that. Okay, the mode is the number that happens most often. So here we have 5, that happens 4 times, and so does 7. So we can say 5 and 7. So we would say the most hits that happened in a round were 5 or 7. Okay, now it says create a histogram below for the number of hits in a game of hacky sack. Remember, if the data falls to the right at the end of the range, then you want to put it in the higher range. For example, 4 would go into the range 4 through 6 instead of 2 through 4. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put our numbers in. I'm going to expand my video here so that you can see everything, because we still need to have those numbers. Let me make it a little bit taller. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now we're cooking. All right. So between 0 and 2, I have no numbers because 2 is going to go to the higher realm. So from 2 to 4, I have 1, 2. Keep in mind that I have a listing of 2 here. And then from 4 to 6, I have 4, 5, 2. So that's 5 numbers. 6 will go in the higher. So here I'm going to go to 5, halfway between 4 and 6. Okay, between 6 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 8 to 10, I have 1. Could look a little bit better. I have 1, which is 8. Nothing from 10 to 12. 12 to 14, I have 1, which is 13. Okay, now we're going to talk about the shape of the data set. So if we were to draw our tail, this is almost normal. If we had, really, I guess this should come down a little bit more here. Still not a great picture. Sorry, guys, I'm struggling on getting that. Okay, our tail is over here to the right, so you'd say that this is right skew. So wherever that tail is, we want to go to the right. Okay, what column has the highest frequency? And it is the 6 to 8 column, so that has the most number of hits. And then the lowest frequency, we would say, is from 0 to 2 or 10 to 12 because they have no frequency.